Alright, y'all. This is on the side of the road here. It says New Providence Primitive Baptist Church site. Constituted in 1833. The church moved to this location on land bought from Benjamin Dorman, where a building was erected. Service continued until 1981 when the building was destroyed by arson. Now, I'm going to show y'all up there. Let me back out some. But that's like the outside tables. Y'all ain't never seen one that big.
I wonder if that's the bathrooms.
You know what? I bet you it is. Y'all, I'm going to bet you.
Somebody owns that property now.
Yeah, I know. Somebody owns it now, but look at that. I bet you that green block building up there was the outhouse. And I bet men was on one side and women was on the other. Just going by what I know of the Primitive Baptist. Okay, now get me up to the garage. This abandoned house, y'all. We're behind it. That's all I can tell you. It's abandoned. It's got to be abandoned. From looking at it, it's got to be abandoned.
And what you don't ever want to see is an abandoned house with a hearse. Hearse.
It's got a hearse sitting in the garage, and the garage is about to come down. Wonder if there's a casket in the hearse. Okay. That is an abandoned Piggly Wiggly. I wonder what the Piggly Wiggly pig's name is.
Wiggly.
Lots of folks I know, we don't ever say the whole word, the whole name, Piggly Wiggly. We just say we're going to the pig. That's an abandoned Piggly Wiggly, though. It was magnificent beforehand. It was a pretty big house, too, you know it?
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at the vegetation, though. Even, y'all, it was in a fire a long time ago, and then it has been almost completely overtaken by nature. It's a Disappearing South series right there, no doubt.
There's our water tower.
Oh yeah, and we're pretty close to it over here. Alright, y'all. Just out on them back roads, you know how that goes. Yeah, that roof's coming off of that one. Okay. Okay. Let's retake that.
They don't have a stop sign.
No,
you're not going to be able to retake it.
I'm fine.